Tuesday was National Hamburger Day, and our Better contributor Jillian Lopez decided that was a pretty good day to profile an outrageous restaurant in Las Vegas that continues to make headlines just for its name alone.
Here's her report from the Heart Attack Grill.
The grill is fired up, the toppings are ready, and the burgers are sizzling. The Heart Attack Grill, located in the heart of downtown Las Vegas, is a huge tourist attraction. Customers are referred to as patients, orders as prescriptions, and the waitresses as nurses. And the biggest draw, you might ask? Anyone who weighs over 350 pounds gets to eat for free. So in honor of National Hamburger Day, we are heading inside. All right, Jillian Lopez here with some very special guests. We have Dr. John, Nurse Ricky, Nurse Lola. We're here at the Heart Attack Grill where everything is bigger and better, and we are gearing up for National Hamburger Day. It's all in good fun, but the menu is a real kicker. It starts out with a single bypass burger and goes all the way up to an octuple bypass burger.
Ooh, drum roll, look at that! Here's your 19,964 calorie burger.
Oh my God.
And don't forget your butterfat shake. That is butter, not white chocolate, because butter makes everything better.
Oh my gosh, do people actually eat all of this? Talk about a way to celebrate National Hamburger Day.
I'm going in for a bite. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. And if you really want to step up your burger game, you can actually add on 40 slices, yes, 40 slices of bacon. And you might be wondering if they have a secret ingredient.
Everything is fried in pure lard.
That sounds delicious.
Double check.
How am I doing?
I think you're just doing fine.
All right, I can do it. One of the restaurant's most celebrated gimmicks is the free wheelchair service provided to those patients who successfully finish the quadruple bypass burger. But finishing this burger is nearly impossible. All right, well, I couldn't finish my burger, which probably isn't much of a surprise, but I had so much fun doing it. I'm no longer a patient, so my time has ended here, but I will definitely be back at the Heart Attack Grill sometime soon. It was the perfect way to celebrate National Hamburger Day.
Well, the things you see right here on Better Connecticut.
Oh my goodness.
You just never know what's going to pop up.
Those gimmicks, so I can see people wouldn't experience. Imagine eating a burger with 8 patties, 16 slices of cheese, up to 40 pieces of bacon, as she showed us, and up to 20,000 calories.
20,000 calories.
Maybe you want to just stick to the single or the double.
2 weeks worth of calories? Maybe for National Hamburger Day. Exactly.